In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move a board to another workplace in Trello, or more specifically, how to add a board to a different workspace view step by step. If you're organizing multiple teams, managing client projects, or restructuring your Trello setup in 2026, this is a simple but powerful workflow you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll be able to update your workspace view in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to Trello and log into your account. From your dashboard, click on any board to enter the kanban view. It doesn't matter which board you open first, because we're going to use it to navigate to the correct workspace view. Once you're inside the board, you'll see the familiar columns and cards layout. Now, look toward the top left area of the screen and find the Switch Boards button. Go ahead and click on Switch Boards. This allows you to navigate between different boards and workspace views connected to your account. This is the key area where you can control which boards appear inside specific workspace views. After clicking Switch Boards, you'll see a list of available workspace views. Click on the workspace view that you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or companies inside Trello. Once selected, Trello will open that workspace's board view. Now that you're inside the workspace view, the next step is to customize which boards appear here. To do that, click on Filter Cards or simply press the letter F on your keyboard as a shortcut. This opens the filtering panel, which gives you more control over what's visible in the workspace view. Inside the filter panel, you'll be able to search through available boards. Find the board that you want to move or add into this workspace view. Once you locate it, simply checkmark or select the board. This action adds the board to the workspace view, so it becomes visible alongside the other boards already there. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct board. This is especially important if you have boards with similar names. Once you're confident everything looks good, close the filter panel. As soon as you close the panel, you'll see the updated workspace view with the newly added board included. And that's it. You've successfully moved or added a board to another workplace in Trello. This method is quick, clean, and doesn't require deleting or recreating anything. It's simply about managing visibility inside workspace views, which makes reorganizing teams and projects much easier. If you're scaling your operations or restructuring departments, this feature can save you a lot of time. One quick tip before we wrap up, always review workspace permissions after moving or adding boards. Make sure the right team members have access, especially if you're working with private boards or client data. Keeping your Trello workspace organized and secure is just as important as keeping it efficient. And that's everything you need to know about how to move a board to another workplace in Trello. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.